Because it's gonna be perfect. Bow!
I felt no need to broadcast my skills.
And I, on the other hand, am severely insecure.
Today on Taste Test, we're taking the ultimate test. Can anything beat the original Oreo flavor? Today on Taste Test, we're gonna find out. Marissa, how you feeling about this? Weird Oreo flavors?
I feel good about it. My favorite Oreo was actually retired.
What was it?
It was the vanilla one with the chocolate stuffing in the middle.
Oh yeah, the reverse.
Do you have a favorite Oreo?
I like the classic Oreo. The single stuffed, not too much cream, twists very easily. Let's try it, shall we?
If I remember correctly, I'm extremely talented at this. And by remember correctly, I mean from earlier today.
I'm gonna put this one over here.
Oh no!
Okay, you really need to have the right amount of pressure to open it, and then I scrape the cream off with my teeth, and then once the cream is all gone, I sandwich the cookie back together, and then I just eat the cookie.
How do I look?
Oh!
I think now that my eyes are out of the equation, my Oreo separating senses are gonna heighten.
Okay.
That was better. No eyesight.
Hold on, let's taste.
What in the name? Something's happening.
Something's happening in my mouth.
This has Pop
This
Rocks
is a
in
party,
it.
yeah. It's like fireworks.
Yeah, do you think maybe it's like a 4th of July
Yeah, I think it's
inspired?
like Katy Perry.
It tastes to me like someone is smuggling something in the middle of these cookies.
I still get it. It's still crackling.
It's still,
when sometimes you eat an Oreo, you just want to eat your Oreo and move on with your
done,
life,
yeah.
but this will not allow it. So we're going with 4th of July.
The flavor is fireworks.
Oh, amazing!
I can't.
I wanted
Can
to high five you,
Thank
but yeah, I thought the same thing. Oh, I love the thin ones. I mean, the center is the part I like the least. So.
Oh, that is also, I don't want to be judgy, but that's insane.
I don't think I can open this one.
I did it though, because I'm the best.
I think that just because I know that the thin ones are made in a mint flavor and this is slightly refreshing, I wonder if this is the mint one. Though I think it should be mintier.
I'm not getting mint.
I don't get a distinctive flavor from this one. I'm gonna go with kettle corn. Final answer.
If you're going kettle corn, would you say caramel corn is different from that?
I
So
would say
I'll
that's
guess
different.
caramel corn.
It's coconut.
What?
There's no popcorn anywhere in there.
No.
There is no shot that these are coconut or like.
Coconut.
Okay, is everybody watching? The master at work?
Ooh, I got that one too.
I think there's something fruity going on there.
It's like cinnamon.
Cinnamony.
I don't get that at all. I'm gonna go with s'mores. Final answer.
I'm gonna go strawberry rhubarb Oreo.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon Bun, not associated with the brand Cinnabon.
Fine.
It's Cinnamon Bun.
We're so bad at this. I smell something caramelly.
This also seems pretty stuffed, right?
Yeah, and it's very vanilla-y.
That is like a very distinctive odor.
I agree that it's distinctive, but I don't think it's caramel. I think it's the circus. Cotton candy.
I think that things that are like aggressively vanilla-y always make me think that they're going to be birthday cake, just so you know.
As soon as you said that, I think it's spot on.
Kettle corn and cotton candy both have a lot of sugar. I think what we're tasting is delicious sugar.
Okay.
But I'm gonna get on
I think
board
you're
with
just trying to
kettle corn and
hitch your
guess.
answer to my answer.
That's my style. I'm not gonna pretend I'm not
kettle
doing
corn.
that.
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake, final answer.
You're right, it's birthday cake.
You know what's in birthday
You know what
cake?
What?
Sugar.
Because
I am gonna open the bejesus out of this
But
cookie.
feel how thick this one is, right?
Badow. Yeah.
It's it's red velvet, right? It's like cream cheesy.
It tastes like something familiar.
Cake, cheesecake.
I just took a big hunk of the frosting, or the center, thinking it would be cream cheesy, and now I just have a bunch of it, and I hate it so much.
Cheesecake, really? Oh, red velvet cheesecake.
Wait a second, are you to tell me that I didn't even think to question the color of this cookie and it could be red?
I'm pretty sure that some part of this cookie is red because this is 100% certainty red velvet cheesecake.
Final answer, and also I'm gonna go ahead and say for bonus points, red cookie white frosting.
Red velvet, final answer.
You're right, it's red velvet.
Oh, Mike!
The flavor is red velvet.
No cheesecake?
No cheesecake.
Oh.
And the cookie is red and the frosting is white.
Did we make
I
up
feel
with the
like-
bonus points? Do I get a perfect score?
No.
Probably not. We got so many wrong. Whoa. So many Oreos. These were the flat ones.
So we went this way.
Okay. Oh yeah, see red velvet?
I'd say this was a success.
I think we did pretty good. I'm still gonna go, like, if I have a bunch of Oreos in front of me, buffet style, I'm gonna go with classic.
Even with the buffet, you're still going with classic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know what else you'd like to see on Taste Test.